Hi everyone, and welcome back to the next diecast. For today's video, I'll be doing an unboxing and a quick review on this 1/24th scale Lamborghini Aventador LP 700-4 made by Maisto. I got this off Amazon for only $8 actually. It was another one of those Amazon warehouse deals, and as you can see, the package is pretty messed up. That's how most items come from Amazon warehouse deals. They have some kind of damaging to their packaging and whatnot. And the item itself may be damaged, but in this case, it is just the packaging, it seems, upon first glance. But yeah, I was able to save a lot of money on this model by getting it from Amazon warehouse deals. Yeah, so it's pretty standard Maisto box here. There's a Lamborghini sticker back here. Looks like the only damage is pretty much on the top here. It's probably crushed or something, maybe on a conveyor belt. I don't really know. We'll go ahead and open it up from this end here. There's, looks like a knife went across there or something. Alright, we'll pull it out. Alright, here it is out of the box here. Very, dusty looking. It's definitely been sitting for quite some time. And I'm sure some dust got in through this opening here, because look at how the plastic is. Just completely, busted in. I'll probably keep this box for our storage, though. Look at this. There's actually an imprint of the car back here. That's kind of concerning, actually. I don't really see any visible damage, though. We'll get it out with the screwdriver and take a closer look at it. I got the car off the cardboard, and check this out. Both of these screws are bent, visibly bent. I don't know how. It must have taken some really good force to get them bent like that, but not really any damage to the... I mean, these are kind of scratched up from that, but I'm not looking at the bottom of the car much anyway. But wow, I've never seen that before. No wonder I had trouble getting these screws out. These doors were not strapped shut. I don't know if they should have been or not. The engine cover has a rubber band over it, so we'll go ahead and get that off, and then we'll take a look at the model. Alright, well, here's our model, and despite having that heavily damaged box, there really isn't that much cosmetic damage on here at all. There's a slight kind of perimeter scratch on this mirror here, but I can easily just maybe paint that over. And a really tiny scuff mark on the bumper back there, but that's it. And the fact that I got this for more than 50% off, that's really not that big of a deal to me. There's only two little cosmetic imperfections on here. This model was very similar to my 1/18 scale Aventador made by Barago that I reviewed about a year ago. It's pretty much the 1/24th scale version of that car, but we'll take a look at the details and everything just really quickly here. So on the front, the lights look really nice overall, as well as the grills down here. They're actually separate pieces. Nice kind of Lamborghini badge there. The paint on here is very nice as well, except for the cosmetic, minor cosmetic imperfections. But not every model is going to come with those problems. Wheels look really nice too. They're the black kind of flower-looking rims. They spin nicely too. On the back here, there's an Aventador plate, and then you got the Lamborghini inscription up above there. Same issue has the 1/18 scale tail lights. They just have the orange kind of painted turn signals on there, but this is a 1/24 scale model. It's not going to have as much detail in the in the first place. You don't get an opening on engine cover, but of course that's how most 1/24 scale cars come. I'm sorry, I don't get an opening front trunk. This is the engine back here. We'll take a look at that next. Actually, a pretty nicely done engine for a 1/24 scale model. It's actually multiple pieces. Not as detailed as Barago's 1/18 scale engine, but it's I'd say it's pretty close. It's got the brace over it and stuff, and the little details underneath there. Very, very cool. And this feels very stiff too, which is nice. It means you have good build quality going on here. Let's get this underneath the light to kind of see the interior better. Yeah, even the interior is nicely done too. They even have the pattern on the dashboard and all the buttons on the center console there. Very cool. And that Lamborghini inscription going across there too. Little paint issue with the orange there. It looks like there's some overspray onto the black, but you don't really notice it too well unless you're looking right at it like I was just doing. I really like these two-tone black and orange seats. They really set the car off really well, especially with this orange paint on the outside too. Yeah, I'd say for $8, this model was a really good deal. It goes, if you get it like not through Amazon warehouse deals, but through like a regular, oh look, the mirror's slightly bent a little bit. Well, I can always fix that. If you get this model through like another vendor on Amazon or just through regular, or if it's fulfilled by Amazon or anything like that, it'll probably go close to $20. That's, I would say, an okay price for these 1/24th scale models, but I probably wouldn't pay more than like 15 or 16 for any Maisto 1/24th scale model. This is actually, this is a good one overall, especially with that hefty discount I got it for. But overall, yeah, I would recommend this if you can find it for a good price. Thanks for watching.